made it to Ocean City, Maryland. We have checked into the Monte Carlo Boardwalk. We are in room 405. Let's see if he'll let me in. And here we are. This is identical to the room we stayed last year. We're just a couple rooms down from the boardwalk. We have a full-size mirror. We went with 2 queen beds, but looky here what we get. We have a sink, a tabletop stove, a microwave. We have, let's make sure this is clean, full-size refrigerator, freezer. Let's make sure the microwave's clean. Yes. And we have a chest of drawers. We have 4 drawers. You want to check the TV? Look, guys, we have a table and chair because we like to hang out in our room sometimes when we work, eat. Oh, there's plugins. Look how high the plugins are. Nations. We have plugins on the wall. There's none here on the nightstand. The air, it's controlled over here on the actual air conditioner. That's okay. Last time we stayed in here, it was some of the best sleep. I don't know whether it's because I walked down the boardwalk so much or what. Yep, TV works. Yay. We have a book about inside Ocean City. It's raining right now. Wah, wah, wah. But the next 2 days are supposed to be sunny. Look. This is our view. There's the boardwalk, beach. And there's some condos around. Oh, I'm getting wet. And we got to park down there. So that worked out great. And we have 2 chairs that we could sit on, but the wind is blowing the rain in. It is freezing in here. So, let's check. I saved the best for last. Let's hope it's clean. Oh, I didn't check on this. Is this our closet? Yes, we have a closet with a hairdryer, iron and ironing board, 4 hangers, and a place to put your suitcase. So that's the little thing that you take out to put your suitcases on it. That door's hard to hanging a little. Ooh, there we go. All right, the bathroom. They gave us a key card we had to put in to keep the lights on. But yep, I remember this. It's very clean, very nice. We have a big mirror, cups, your necessities if you need it. Ooh, I thought that was a spot, but there's a chunk missing. Your toilet. Yep, I gotta step over it. That's okay as long as it's clean. The shower. And they provide you with Infuse Spa collection. Ah, cool. I think we'll like it here. We're actually not jumping around this time. We're actually gonna stay here for 3 nights. So we're gonna try all the snacks of the boardwalk. My favorite snack that I'm looking forward to is Thresher's fries. Of course, I've probably mentioned it in several videos. And maybe a slice of pizza somewhere. We'll have to decide again what is our favorite. And then we have to decide what's our favorite ice cream. And caramel corn, or kettle corn. Let me try out the bed. Whoa, I went down. It's soft, but I don't care. If this is the same kind of bed I had last year, let's see him. I slept good last year. All the pillows, we get 4 pillows. I don't use the round one unless I'm sitting back on it. But I remember having those all around me for comfort, and I slept like a baby. But it could have been for all the walking because we walked up and down the boardwalk. So, but the last time we had our first day was sunshiny. The rest of the days were cloudy like this. So I'm hoping this is our day of clouds. According to the radar, the next few days, bright sunshine. So, well, hun, you like it?
I do like it. I'm excited to be
and
here.
I don't even care that we're 2 down from where we stayed last time.
No, and you can still see the beach.
You
really
can still see it. And we're not, the last time we stayed, we were directly across an elevator. We didn't hear it much. We could hear when people were talking when they were waiting on it. But I like it.
Yeah.
And we'll get some more pictures of the area. I think we are under the swimming pool. I did not want that. It's above us on the top floor. It's kind of creepy because of the way I am with water. But I'm hoping it's more that way because there's rooms that way.
Yeah, I look forward to it.
And there's a swimming pool off the lobby. And what else do they offer? They have a coffee shop that's in front of it towards the boardwalk, but I don't know if it's like Monte Carlo's. Do you?
Yeah, I don't know if the motel runs.
They have a nice little lobby to sit in. I always love the groovy chairs. Anyways, that's my review for now. I'll let you know later if it's still holding up to the thumbs up.
Right.
He knows I will. I have to be honest. All right, we'll see you later. Hopefully the rain will let up and we can get outside. It's me again. One thing I forgot to mention that the hubs reminded me is since COVID, they have removed all the kitchen pans and utensils. If you want to be able to use the stove to make anything here, you have to bring your own. And I don't think, let me turn this around. Yeah, nothing's in here but a bag. And in the, I don't think we have drawers. Down to safe. The safe is under the sink. Good place to put it. I would never think to look there. And then you just have these. But I read online that since COVID, they don't do it anymore for sanitary reasons. So let's see if they have the Bible in the drawer. Just curious. Oh, it was sprinkling when we got here. You know, we haven't unloaded our things yet. We came right up to check the room. Well, it's full-fledged right now. Today might be a day of relaxation. Oh, I would hate to be walking on the boardwalk now. Oh, something just went by on the water. I don't know if you can see it. See? It's about right there over that house. It's going by fast and steering up some waves. Cool. All right, you have a good one. I'm gonna enjoy this room and our time in Maryland. I loved Virginia, but I love Maryland too. This is some of the lobby area. It's so groovy and colorful. Yeah. More chairs over there. Indoor pool. You've even got a deck to go out. This is their tiny little indoor pool. Boy, it's warm in here. Look, the doors are open to the outside. You see that? It looks very cloudy water. Does that hot tub work? Does it bubble? Yep, here's the button right here behind you.
Okay.
It changed colors. This is the pool. The hours are from, they go to 10 o'clock tonight. I'm not sure when they start. Cool. Just wanted to show you. Now we're gonna try to go see the rooftop pool if it's still open. We are at the rooftop pool, Monte Carlo. It's on the 6th floor. It's from 3 foot to 5 feet. Why don't you test out that temperature, Mr. Nations? We have a view up here of the bay. You probably can't see because of the sun. And the beach. And it looks like they used to have like a, what? And they have, oh, I didn't get you. Do it again. I'd hold on to something. Pretty cool. Okay. All right, you'll come down the boardwalk to the Monte Carlo, and this is free parking right here on the street. So if you stay here, it's perfect, or you have to park a little bit away. That's the door. You have to use your key to get in if you don't want to go through the lobby. But let's go around to the lobby. This is that little deck area I showed off of the lobby. The indoor pool is in there. It's a nice little street. And then this is where you can park your car for a few minutes to check in. It's 20-minute parking. And they have steps, but also down here, if you push in a luggage rack or your wheelchair, or you just want to roll your suitcases up, that it curves around. You don't have to go up those steps, but it works your way and you end up in the same spot as you would if you went up these steps. And this is the hotel entrance to the lobby. See the ramp. That's the top of it. Alright, let's go in here. People are in the indoor pool. Oh, good. This is the pretty lobby area. Love the bright colors. Even the surfboard is painted up in colors. And that is this where you come in from the side entrance. I love that yellow chair. It spins. You have more lobby. Which there's the elevators. There's only one set. And here's more of the lobby. Yeah. They're open up to Crave Daddy's from 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. And you can walk through there and there's the boardwalk. Hey guys, this is future Melissa. I have already moved on from Ocean City, and now have been to Rehoboth Beach, and now I'm in Lewis, Delaware. But I just wanted to tell you, the stay at the Monte Carlo Boardwalk in Ocean City was great. So it's a nice place to stay if you ever visit the area. But if you are wanting to cook, make sure you bring your cooking utensils, pans, anything you need to make a meal. Anyways, hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to smile at someone, and I'll see you in the next video. Who knows where we're going to end up next. Have a good one. Bye-bye.